Last time there were people camping here. We're back at our normal location in Yanbaru, and we just got some pictures and video of Kuina, but it's kind of deep in the brush in the forest, so we're gonna stick around here a little bit and see if we can catch it coming out, or maybe in the morning near the river. So we'll stick around here a little bit longer. Earlier we saw night heron actually. It's kind of foggy today, but we saw night heron fishing in the river. Sorry, mosquitoes. Yeah, which is pretty cool. I've never actually seen one at night, so that was fun. I have to apologize, guys. I left the tripod in the car. It's a little bit rainy. I wanted to come out light, and I didn't expect the Kuina to be there as soon as I get out, so the footage is a bit shaky. I'm not as smooth as Brian, of course, but using the rail. There's a party going on back here. The sun is starting to rise. It's 6 a.m. or so, and a lot of activity. So we just saw Kuina running along the river quite a bit. Kind of did laps in a circle. I'm not sure why, but we're gonna stick in this area because we know they're here, and then see what we can get. So I got plenty of video, so now I'm gonna try to focus on photos. Sexy walk.
Beauty shot.
Beautiful weather today. Yeah.
You can just walk if you want, whatever you want.
Whatever you want. I can walk. So this year's rainy season has gone on forever now, like non-stop. And today is not an exception. It's like it just started pouring on us, so we took shelter under a tree. But yeah, crummy weather, but a lot of bird activity, so that's a good thing. So this idiot, Brian, decided to buy a Nikon lens without having a Nikon body. I might have persuaded him a little bit, but just a little bit.
How do you like it?
I haven't taken a photo yet. I'm just holding it because it makes me look cool. I was walking back here, and Brian was crouched down looking underneath the car, and I wasn't sure what he was looking at. But as I came around the corner, I saw Kuina in the road crouched down looking at Brian. So they were both like looking under the car at each other, and then the Kuina kind of popped up because he must have seen Brian and scurried away. So Brian is playing hide and seek with Yanbaru Kuina. So we're stuck underneath the trunk of my car. Today's just been amazing. We have Yanbaru Kuina, Rudy, Paradise Flycatcher just started making noise behind us. So it's a lot of activity, but we're stuck because, yeah, I don't want to stand out in the pouring rain with the gear too much. A little bit is fine, but I don't want to go exploring too much. Oh, and we also saw baby inoshishi. What's it called?
Oribo.
Oribo? That's the one. Oribo. So no footage or pictures of that, so we'll see if he comes out. Yeah, just hang out here for a while. It's so close. Look right there. I can't see it. Can you see it? Yeah. I see a bush moving. Can I take this one?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
Yeah, I don't mind.
If I'm gonna get lens wet, get yours wet. What is it? We're done at that location. We're just gonna probably drive around a bit and then go home, I think. I think it's a very successful day. At least for me. What about you, Brian?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really good. There's a lot of, I cannot talk because I don't have microphone. It's okay.
Okay. Well, we have two camera bodies. We're both shooting Nikon today, except for this video right now. But we're both shooting Nikon. We're handing the camera back and forth, so I think Brian can just assume anything that's a good photo or footage is his, and anything that's garbage came from me.
I think so.
Yeah. You could probably show a few examples of garbage photos now. So we're just driving down the road, and we heard a lot of noise of different birds and stuff, so we pulled over, and it's funny, we heard Kuina, but we've gotten Kuina so many times that we kind of just ignored that, but we're more interested in the Paradise Flycatcher, as well as the Ryukyu Woodpecker, right? Yeah. So Ryukyu Woodpecker, it's funny, Brian went on one side and scared it towards me. I was able to shoot it with the Z6ii. Wish I had the Z9 at that time. And then the flycatcher was just kind of flying around, and we got to shoot it from two different angles. So very successful, very lucky. Just driving down the road and happened to find it. So we're like in the middle of Yanbaru Forest, kind of on the hill. So yeah, new location for us. All right, we're done at this location. We're gonna go home, get some rest, so we'll catch you guys later.